When a client asks you, Jeevan Utsav better hai ya Sanchay Plus? That moment decides whether you are an average agent or a trusted financial advisor. Today, we break it down with real numbers, real structure, and zero confusion. Jeevan Utsav is a non-participating, non-linked, guaranteed income plan. It gives guaranteed additions, lifelong income, increasing life cover, flexi accumulation option. Let's use the real example. The client pays premium for 11 years. Total outgo 10.95 lakhs rupees. Now watch what happens. Guaranteed additions are simple. 40 rupee per 1000 rupee sum assured. Over 11 years. 4.4 lakhs rupees locked. Guaranteed. No market dependency. After deferment, the client receives 1 lakh rupees every year. And this is the key difference. This continues for life. Not 10 years. Not 12 years for life. This is not just income. It is income plus protection. With rider, cover can reach 24.4 lakhs rupees. Even without rider, 14.4 lakhs rupees continues. That is structural strength. Total survival benefit 46 lakhs rupees. Total lifetime benefit 60.4 lakhs rupees. This is how Jeevan Utsav works. Now, let's move to Sanchay Plus. Option 1, long-term income option. Fixed income for 25 or 30 years. At end of payout period. Return of total premiums paid. Important. Not lifelong. Fixed period only. Option 2, guaranteed maturity option. Now the selected example. Premium 1 lakh rupees annually. Pay for 11 years. Income starts from 12th year. For 12 years. Income received 1,67,890 rupee per year. From year 12 to year 23. Clear. Defined. Finite. Option 3, guaranteed maturity option. No income. Pure accumulation. Pay for 10 years. Receive lump sum at maturity. Around 22.7 lakhs rupees in the example. Option 4, lifelong income. This is where most agents make mistakes. Lifelong income option is available only if age of life assured is between 50 and 65 years. Not for a 35-year-old client. Income continues till age 99. Return of premiums at end. Age restriction matters. Now let's compare clearly. Lifelong income. Jeevan Utsav. Available broadly. Sanchay Plus. Only 50 to 65 years age band. Income period. Jeevan Utsav. For life. Sanchay Plus. 10 or 12 years in guaranteed income option. Life cover. Jeevan Utsav. Strong increase in cover. Sanchay Plus. Primarily income focus. Flexibility. Sanchay Plus. Multiple option structure. Jeevan Utsav. Flexi accumulation with compounding. If client is young, 30 to 45. Needs lifelong income. Needs strong life cover. Jeevan Utsav is powerful. If client is near retirement, wants fixed 10 to 12-year income. Wants structured payout. Sanchay Plus guaranteed income option works. If client wants pure maturity copies, guaranteed maturity option. There is no best plan. There is only best suited plan. When you understand structure, you sell with confidence. When you sell with confidence, clients trust you. And when clients trust you, your career grows.